Hey friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Uh, Today, as per the plan, market worked very well. Okay, what could be the tomorrow's thought process? I'm unable to do the research and analysis because of the time concern. So quickly, I will share my intraday plan tomorrow. This high is weaker high. This high is weaker high, and this low we have to look out. So tomorrow, very simple. Nifty 50. This is a 30 minutes time frame chart continuation future, and if any acceptance above this level, that means 18,210, I will go for a long towards my target. 18,310 is my first target. If any acceptance on this opening, market opening flat coming down, any acceptance here, I will go for a short. My direct target could be this low, that is 18,080. This low is, what is it? This low is 18,110. 18,110 is this low. Any acceptance, then 18,080 is my first target, and second target directly 17,980 is my second target tomorrow. This is my trade setup for tomorrow. Any gap up opening, then I will watch whether any test drive or open drive or open test drive. Based on that, I will go for a long only I will go in Nifty in the gap up case. Otherwise, if market opening above this day high and returning back inside the today's range, then I will plan for a short. Any acceptance on this opening only, in this opening only I will short. Otherwise, I will still then I will plan for any rejection. I will go for a long CE only, reversal CE position. Why? Because this is now this area is protected. 18,110 is protected in Nifty future. See, this is a beautiful information. Every day market profile will provide you. The live market also, market profile provide you, and the market profile will control your emotion. You will reduce your trade. It will give you only 2 or 3 setup in a day. That's it. 3 setup you can find out, then easily you can trade on those trade. So if you interested to learn market profile, if you want to become an independent trader, learn this market profile. Market profile is a beautiful chart pattern, and this all figure will give you the clear entry, exit, target, SL, everything he will teach you. And overall wants to become an independent trader, and overall wants to be a passionate trader, want to learn things and how to apply in the live market without any support, anybody's support, then only you will sustain in the long term in the market. We are planning to start a market profile course very soon with the minimum fees, so you can join our Telegram channel. All the update will provide you in our Telegram channel, in this Trading Emotion Telegram channel. And please click the like button, share our channel information to all your friend circle and relatives. Those who are all interested to learn market profile, they can also join with our journey. Okay, this is a Nifty 50. Then this is all about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, very interesting thing is, any acceptance at a 42 opening flat and any acceptance at 42.85, I will go for a short. Why? Because 90% the weekly gap will fill in the Tuesday or Wednesday itself. So tomorrow is a Tuesday. So market, if accepting below this, then I will go for a short directly on this PPOC. This PPOC is 42,500, 550, 500, almost 530 is direct target on the downside. So upside I will wait. Any acceptance on this day high 43,015 only, I will go for a long in Bank Nifty. From here I will raid another 200 points on the upside. So otherwise, this is a flat opening case. If market opening gap up, and the same thing whatever we discussed in the Nifty, I will wait. Any rejection from this territory, I will go for a long option only in the Bank Nifty in the gap up case. Flat opening, I clearly told, in acceptance upper, I will go for upside. In acceptance down, I will go for a down. So this is my trade setup for intraday tomorrow. plan your trade setup also, and many nuances on the downside. So unable to discuss the all those things today. Why? Because tomorrow also I am in the travel. If possible, any information I am getting on the live market, I will share you. I will get the only one information today at 2:45 p.m. Till then our telegram channel was very silent, pin drop silent. Why? Because very clearly that market was not giving any information. 2:45 there was a information for a day high, but day high, new day high was not done, but that also good information at 2:45. Till then I am not shared a single view in our telegram channel. Why? Because no information. If any information market provide, I will tell, share in the telegram channel. Okay, please click the like button, click the bell icon also. Then whenever I am giving the posting the videos, you will be witnessed, and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.